kids, today we are going to draw a big, scary but friendly shark. Are you ready? Let's start step by step. First, draw a long curved line, like a big rainbow. This will be the shark's back. Great job! Now draw another curved line below it to make the belly. Connect both sides together. Perfect! That looks like the shark's body already. Next, let's draw the tail at the back. Make a triangle shape. Yes, sharks use their tails to swim fast in the ocean. Now we need fins. On top, draw a big triangle. That's the famous shark fin. On the sides, add two smaller fins. While it looks so real, let's make the face. At the front, draw a pointy nose. Add one round circle for the eye, and of course, the teeth. Draw a big smile with lots of sharp triangles. Don't worry, our shark is friendly and won't bite you. Finally, let's add some bubbles and little fish around it to make the ocean look alive. Maybe even some seaweed at the bottom. Wow kids, look at this! You just drew an amazing shark. Great job, artists!